So how are we going to get these customers? How are we going to raise awareness about our products? So first thing we would do is have media advertisements, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. And a lot of times Google has become very, it's where people search for when they want to find something. So we're definitely going to invest in AdWords so that our website comes up. We'll tie up with play and preschools as well. Corporates, as well as we'll have referral programs, just like the Olas and the Ubers, we'll have a referral program as well, because we need customers to keep our business growing. And we will also provide branded carry bags, so, and other merchandise. So this will increase the popularity for us. Now, the most important part, the financials. So in year one, we are making losses, but we quickly pick up by year 5, and we are making a profit of about 3.1 crores. And it also looks like, it looks really good to an investor, because we're breaking even in about 1.5 years, and our rate of return is about 36%. So this is what we got when we did the back-end calculations. Even in a worst case scenario, our rate of return would be about 22%. So competitors, we have one direct competitor, that's GBabe. This is a baby equipment and rental company in Pune. So they're doing it in a very small scale at the moment. We have OLX and Precare, so they don't really rent out baby equipment, they do second-hand retail. Now, our unique selling proposition is quite a few, but the one that we would most like to stress on is the yearly membership. So parents don't have to keep renting different baby furniture or equipment at different points of time, and they can go for a yearly membership wherein we can provide them with different equipment. So this is an idea we've been really passionate about for a couple of months, and we hope to create a spark that will hopefully turn into a blaze in the future. Thank you.
Thank you, Tiny Steps. I'd like to invite the jury to ask any questions if they have. We have 5 minutes for Q&A by the jury. Thank you.
Just one question that I have, Vipul, is that tourists are also your customers. The period of use by the tourists will be much shorter, but the amount of effort and spend that you will have to actually put into refurbish and get it back to the hygiene part of it would be the same, irrespective of the period of the time of use. So have you factored that into when you're looking at?
Yes, sir. As you can see here, this is our rental plans which we're offering. We are doing a day basis, week, monthly, and a quarter. The day is specifically for the tourists because they're not going to stay more than, even for car seats, they might rent it one day when they want to go somewhere. And week is mostly for tourists. So we have considered that, but as you can see, the weekly and day plan are slightly costlier compared to the monthly and quarter, which will be what the normal customers will be taking in. So
I was referring to the cost of refurbishing it, putting it back would remain the same. So that's the question that I have.
And the question is being raised as to two questions. One is refurbishing. There will be some kind of loss, wastage, leakage, whatever. And second is, I think implied in his question is also probably a logistics question, right? Because if a tourist comes for a short rental, you're going to have more logistics costs. So do you have any comments on that, these two elements? If you take your revenue line and break it down, what do you see in these two areas? The question he has.
So the cost which we have calculated for the refurbishment and all is around 600 rupees, and we are actually for a weekly basis we are charging it a bit more. So we don't expect a huge revenue, but it can actually give us a impression and visibility.
That higher cost will compensate for the 1 week refurbishment we are doing it for them. Because the day and weekly will be more than, if you consider weekly into 3, it will be more than what a month charges. So that will be factored in that.
Okay.
Hey, no, I totally relate to this problem since I have a 4.5-year-old, right? So the problem exists. I just want to know what are the different solutions. This is one what you presented, right?
Yeah.
But have you thought about the other options and of solving the same problem? And did you find this to be the best way to solve the problem?
Yeah, so this model is actually very popular in US. It's not been tapped in India. It has a huge potential here. As we can see, Mumbai and Chennai are becoming cramped. So people are really trying to increase their living space. So this is the very best option because you're going to use all the products but have a bigger space.
I understand the problem. I'm talking about the solution. The problem I relate to, so that
yeah.
I get. So.
We thought this is one of the best solutions which we can offer with our abilities to solve the problem.
I encourage you to think of a marketplace, and in general, that might be another interesting way to solve this problem. The other thing to think about is in the whole rental space, if you're going to do it, think about whether it's you're solving most of the problems that for renting any equipment. So why keep it only for baby? Is there a good reason to do that? So why only baby? Why not any rental?
Like we said, the amount you're going to spend on the baby is like very high. There are people who buy few products, but they're not willing to spend that much amount. As we showed, the amount which you spend for the baby in the first 3 years is around. Sorry.
Also,
Why not gardening equipment?
also what happens is that the other line, there are equipment rentals, other furniture rentals. So we have a lot of competitors in that area, and we feel that by doing this, we are resolving a specific issue that is currently prevailing, because as we showed you, we have only one direct competitor. So what we are doing is we are bringing this to the rest of the country. We want to do it in a larger scale. So that's our basic idea.
And as I said, even if you're going to buy few products, it's going to cost too much for them. So we are offering them a solution which will reduce the cost also.
And going into everything right at the beginning would be too much to, it will be biting at too much more than we can chew.
So something that you'll do in future?
Maybe, but
Our
right,
future
as
plan
of
is to expand to multiple cities. We are starting with 5 in year 3. Future plan will be expanding.
And we'll also expand a range of products. So we are a little attached to this whole concept of baby needs. So that's where this idea came from.
And have you thought about the break-even point, how many babies you would like to service to get the break-even point? And what is that 1.5 years profitability that is, a little bit of very interesting to everyone?
Okay, so behind.
Yeah, we had the kind of the customers which we need to
Out of that, we have calculated our financials based on 0.5% of this population being converted into customers.
We have done a very conservative approach.
I think it's a very excellent presentation. We all ask questions. I think 2 thoughts your takeaway. One is unit economics, and second is as you scale, how the operating leverage will actually create an EBITDA. It's not very, you might want to, you don't have much time, 2 things. And third is his idea saying what alternate solutions exist. Everybody agrees that this is a great problem and you've done a great job. So big hand for what you've done.
Thank you.
Thank you, Tiny Steps. That was a very nice presentation. So it's nice to see a full hall now. We started out with maybe 25% of the hall full. So I just want to make sure, can I ask everyone to raise your right hand, please? Left hands, please. Okay, I just want to make sure everyone's awake after lunch. So we have a lot of smart teams that are presenting today. Just to brief the others who joined later. So this is a student startup challenge. We have 5 teams presenting today. This is the finals, and we're going through the evaluation rounds. So the first team was that you saw on stage was Tiny Steps from IIM Trichy. The next one on stage is MultiClean from Care Group of Institutions, Trichy. Please come on. Sir.
And warm welcome to one and all gather here for the Growth Act National Entrepreneur Summit presentation. First of all, thanks to CAE for giving a wonderful opportunity to present our presentation here. We are doing final year mechanical engineering. Myself, R.K. Soundraj, and my teammates are Balaji, Prabhu, Porkumaran. First of all, we want to know some problems. Cleanliness is godliness. So our project is based on that like only. Our PM also says clean India, clean India, clean India. So our project, our presentation is about a cleaning process. So this is our product. The first image shows the real product. Second image shows the 3D design, which is designed by SolidWorks by us. In first product, we have two operations by moving. First operation is sweeper by this product, and another one is a mopper. So we have two models. This model is especially made for sweeping and mopping action. And in this product, we can't able to clean corner areas. So we go for model 2. This is the model 2. In this, we can able to mop the floor and also clean the corner areas also. So each product has specific specifications. This is our company profile. Initially, the company is going to start in Trichy at Conley area and named as MultiClean Engineering. It is going to start by 4 partners as teammates, and the designation is shown in the slide. And the record land for our company is 2,000 square feet, and initial unit of production is 26 per month. Then the maximum unit of production is 500 units per month, and the initial investment of our company is 10 lakhs only, and the investment type is partnership. Now electrical polishing machine is now used in all areas. So some problems are in the electrical cleaner and mopper. What are the problem means electrical crisis problem. In generally developing countries like India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka have major electricity crisis problem. So for that machine there's a need of electricity to run. So like electricity crisis, we are unable to run the machine. And if it is an electrical machine, so it needs high maintenance and customer price. For example, Roots MultiClean Limited Coimbatore machine cost prices around 1,60,000 rupees. For that, we go for some solution. So our solution is our product. In our product, the machine works on by basic mechanical mechanisms, which is a crank and slider mechanism. So it is very easy to handling and no need of electricity. In market analysis, we analyze the problems which is given by the customers of our competitors. So the suggestions and problems are rectified in our product. So the people most welcome our product, and there's a good scope in our product. If you see our market plan means initially we're going to start our company in Trichy zone and market it in first district level, and after a year we're going to market it in state and so on. If you see market size means there is no mechanical cleaners. Mechanical cleaner is not for cleaning. So the market is open. So our product is virgin. If you see business description means initially I said 4 partners going to start. Our initial product is mechanical force carbon polishing machine. After getting a break even, so we announce a future product such as a grass cutter, groundnut pickers, and land plower. Those 3 machines are also which is operated by only mechanical. There is no electrical is used. Initially, in our company, there is only assemblies can be done because we want to reduce our investment. So if you're doing many machinery works means it needs a high investment. So in future we get we can improve that. So in future we can machine our products in company itself. Our competitors, if you see in local and national competitors, means Roots MultiClean. In Tamil Nadu, local competitors, Root MultiClean. If you see national one means Santoni, Lokpal Industries, and Amen Cleaning Equipment. In international, Tennant Company USA. Lokpal and Amen Cleaning annual turnover is 5 to 10 crore, and Amen Cleaning is 10 to 25 crores. What is the difference between our product and competitors' product? Fizzy means major role is our product price is very low. 15% of competitor prices are only our product. Even not only by electricity customer price, we don't have any electricity, so major cost is reduced and quality also improved because it is run by our mechanical mechanisms. Our basic customers are hospitals because hospitals only needs frequent cleaning. So wherever a frequent cleaning is needed, our product is they are our customers. So hospitals, colleges, schools, laboratories, those are our targeted customers. If we see initial investment means, first of all, we set 26 units of production as per month is initial. Why we do that means, month has 30 days, so 4 days as a leave, totally 26 days, per day 1 unit is manufactured and sold. So that is our initial target. In future, it will making up to 500 units. For initial investment, capital investment is 5,44,000. The running cost is 4,06,160 rupees. The running cost is a rotary cost, so we can get back monthly, so it is spent for that.